How to fix apps and games not opening on Windows 10 or Windows 11. Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to tell you a few fixes for you to apply if your apps and games are not opening on your laptop or Windows. First thing first, you have to open up your task manager. So right click on your taskbar to open up your task manager. So from here, what you have to do is, once you open up Task Manager, you will see the Services tab on the left side of your screen. But if you're using Windows 10, you will see it on the top right corner. So go to Services, and from here you just want to open up all of your services. Now just search for Windows Update. So I'm just going to scroll down until I see Windows Update. And once you find Windows Update right here, to find your Windows Update, you just tap on Open Services and find Windows Update right here. And once you find it, you just have to right click on it and then click on Start if it has not started yet, and Stop if it is starting. So once you do that, give your PC a restart and your problem should be fixed. The next thing that you can do is open up your File Explorer. So I'm just going to open my File Explorer right here. Go to your C drive, go to your Windows, then here you have to find Software Distribution. So just scroll down until you see Software Distribution, click on it, and here you just have to delete these two folders, Downloads and Data Store. You just have to delete these folders and give your PC a quick restart again. So once you delete these after restarting your PC, your problem should be fixed. If you found this helpful, hit the like, share, and subscribe button. I will see you guys next time.